Sutipong from ADA International. If you would like to calculate the production target, how much piece you have produced by real time, you can use GENESIS 32 SCADA to calculate for you. For example, if you would like to know that at 7 o'clock 15 minutes, at the rate per hour is 120, how much it could be produced at a time, how much it could be produced on real time. GraphWorks 32 will calculate for you at 7 o'clock and 15 minutes. It could be 830. You can use GENESIS 32 calculate for you by real time. For example, if you would like to create the target, put the process point and navigate to the UDM data and select the expression my target, and then you have to place this argument with the keywords system time. For example, copy this expression, copy, and then click on expression and paste into this. Then navigate to the hour and select tag Unified Browser and go to OBCDA. Navigate to Capeware Cape Server EX and System. Then select the time hour 24. This is the time in 24 format, and minute. And then the rate per hour. For example, 120 piece per hour, and then click OK. Okay. Copy this. Copy, Control C, and then close this and paste into the data source text box, and then click OK. Okay. Go to runtime. Okay, this is the how many pieces it would be produced on 7 o'clock and 30 minutes. Sorry, at 7 o'clock and 25 minutes. Key of this feature is the expression. You can create the expression by this tool. This tool is the work time expression toolkit. You can download it. I put the link in the video description. It will create the expression for you if you specify the schedule and then click on create expression. For example, if the loop of the production start at 8 o'clock, you have to specify 8 o'clock here, and 0 is 0 minute, and then put 1 at the work column if it is working. Okay, and now stop at noon, 0 minute, stop, then you put 0 at the work column and start again at 12:50, and you put 1 in this column because it's working. If it's not 0 at the minute column, you have to specify the next hour. 13 and 0, and then place 1 at the work column because it's working. Okay, now you can pass the 14 to 15 because it is 0 here. It is 0 in column minute. Okay, and stop working at 15 and start again at 15:15. Then you place 1 at the work column, and this is not 0, then you have to specify the next hour and stop again at the 18:0, and then you put 0 at the work column because it stopped working. You cannot leave the midnight. You have to specify midnight. Okay, 24, 0, and 0. If it's still working, you place 1 here. But in this example, it stopped working at midnight. Then I put 0 here. And start again at 0 o'clock and 50. You put 1 here because it's working. You have to finish the loop. This is start time. This is end time. It is the same number. You do not need to specify working or not working here because it is the end loop. Now, press create expression. Sorry, before create the expression, you have to specify which law start and end law. Okay. For example, in this example, you start at law 2 to the 21. Okay. Then you need to specify here 2 to 21 and press create expression. And then copy the expression. Control A and Control C. And then go to Unified Data Manager. Create your expression. Name the expression EX1 or WRK1. Okay. Now go to read expression and place the expression. And go to the expression property. You need to add the parameter here. Click on add 3 times and then rename. First one is hour, HR, and MN, and NPH. Okay, that's it. And then click apply. Now it's ready to use. Go to GraphWorks and then place another process point and go to data tags and Unified Data Manager. Refresh your expression once. Okay, then you can see WRK. You can specify the parameter here. You can place the constant, or you can place the OPC tag by click on expression and then go to hour and then tags Unified Data Browser and go to OPCDA, go to Kware and System and time 24 and minutes, time minutes. Okay, and now NPH. For example, if you produce at 100 per hour, you can place 100 here and then click OK. Oh, sorry, you can copy it. You cannot click OK. You have to copy it, but don't copy X equal to. Okay, only the expression. Then copy and paste here. It is not X. No. You have to leave X equal to. Okay, now you can calculate the real-time production target. Okay, for time now at 7 o'clock and 32, it's still in the production loop. Then the target is 2036. Peace. It is the target, the real-time target. Thank you for watching.